Now, what the Indian government has announced its price for the Astra Zeneca vaccines for a little more than $3 per dose. So let's take a look for comparison and see how this price compares to global prices of the same vaccine. Let's begin with Brazil now, which will be selling the vaccine at $3.16 per dose, which is considered to be one of the cheapest prices globally. The federally funded Fiocruz Center expects to receive more ingredients this month to make a total of 15 million shots of the vaccine. AstraZeneca's vaccine is the central pillar of Brazil's inoculation program. The company applied for full regulatory approval of its vaccine in Brazil in January. Moving on, at $3.5 per dose, the European Union is now paying a similar price to that of Britain for the AstraZeneca vaccine. AstraZeneca has committed to delivering between 80 million and 120 million doses by the end of March. AstraZeneca has a $1.2 billion agreement with the US government to supply up to 300 million doses to Americans. So as per the contract, the per dose price at which the US government has agreed to purchase the vaccine is under $4. Meanwhile, the Philippines has cleared AstraZeneca's vaccine for emergency use and will be selling it for $5. The Philippines has signed deals with AstraZeneca for 17 million doses, with the first shipments expected to arrive in the month of May. The nation, which has Southeast Asia's second worst outbreak, targets to inoculate more than half of its population this year. The AstraZeneca shot is one of the first jabs on the market and is easy to transport. WHO data says that the AZD1222 vaccine has an efficacy of 63.09% against symptomatic COVID-19 cases. AstraZeneca in November had said that its shots would be capped at around $3 per dose to provide vaccines to the widest population with as fair access as possible. AstraZeneca is a member of COVAX, which is the global initiative aiming to distribute 2 billion vaccine doses to 92 low and middle income countries at no more than $3 a dose. Pfizer or Moderna are not part of the COVAX initiative for now. WION World is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.